In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Ogive in Google Sheets. Now, if you're looking to visualize cumulative frequency distributions in a clear and concise way, an Ogive is an excellent tool to use. So let's dive right into the process of creating one in Google Sheets. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet where your data is already loaded. This step is straightforward. Just ensure you've got your data set ready to work with. Once your sheet is open, the next task is to copy the data from cells F2 to F9. This range contains the values you'll need for your Ogive. After you've copied those values, paste them into cell A13. This transfers your data to a new location where we can elegantly create our chart. Following this, you'll need to head back and copy the next set of values, this time from cells H2 to H9. These represent the cumulative frequency values necessary for plotting. Once copied, paste these values into B13. You've now set up the fundamental components for your Ogive. Highlight the range from A12 to B20, ensuring all relevant values are selected. Next, go up to the toolbar and click on Insert, then select Chart from the drop-down menu that appears. With the chart editor open, the default chart might not immediately be suitable. To adjust this, click on Chart Type and change it to a line chart. This option provides the correct visual for an Ogive, displaying cumulative frequencies effectively against class boundaries. Once you have your line chart, it's time for some customization to make it look just right. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor and select Series. Here, you can modify aspects such as the point size. Set the point size to 7px to ensure each data point is distinctly visible. Next, you'll want to refine the chart by adding meaningful titles. Click on Chart and Axis Titles and start with entering a general title for your chart, such as Ogive. This helps anyone viewing the chart understand its purpose right away. After that, switch to the horizontal axis title. Enter cumulative frequency to clarify what the x-axis represents. Similarly, for the vertical axis title, type in class boundaries. This step emphasizes the relationship between the class boundaries and cumulative frequency. Each of these edits enhances the comprehension and clarity of your Ogive, making it a powerful visual tool for your audience. By following these steps, you've successfully created a functional and illustrative Ogive in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.